Yeah. They're flying you to Sardinia? No, like, yeah, similar to myself now. Yeah, Coolock, Santry. Yeah, big day in Marino on Sunday. No, not San Marino, no. Yeah. Yeah, Scrubs is yeah. Yeah, no, sorry, you're breaking up, Paul. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna have to go, man. Yeah. Well, who wants to work in digital marketing anyway? Yeah, so we're here in Raheny, and yeah, asked to do a little picture of the main street, and yeah, I have to say it's looking fantastic during the autumn. Very kind of Gilmore Girls vibe going on. Yeah, fantastic time, and the bus just happens to be going by, just like in the picture. Yeah, I couldn't find the other video, so here's just a quick one anyway of the kind of a posted sketch of skipping out the building. So yeah, it was a nice time and the bus going by as well. So yeah, just kind of breaking the picture up into the squares, and I think just starting off with maybe the simple stuff, just the shops, so the bakeries, just kind of squares and things around some of the trees at the moment. Yeah, definitely have to get all the flowers and bloom, some of the hanging baskets, and yeah, then just maybe just popping in some of the bus, and yeah, some of the people maybe walking by and having a coffee. Yeah, just after having those kind of elements in, you can tidy up on the iPad, and yeah, I might show more in-depth video from going from that step.